Alright, this is the last step, step number 3, find the yi values. So to find yi values, we must use this formula, yi equals to wi minus beta I, yi plus 1, and yn minus 1 equals to wn minus 1. And these formulas also will be given in your final exam paper. And this formula, yn minus 1 formula, this yn minus 1 equals to what? We know that yn is our last value for y. So yn minus 1 is the second last value of y. So yn minus 1 is y3 because our last y is y4. So in my number line here, this y4 is yn. So the previous y is yn minus 3. That is y3. Okay. So y3 is equals to, because this n minus 1 is equals to 3. So for this w, n minus 1 also equals to 3. So y3 equals to w3. So the y3 value is this value, 0.8163. So we have solved for the first y value. y3 equals to 0.8163. Okay, next is y2 value. This is like solving the system by using backward substitution. We start with y3 and then proceed with y2, and the last one is the y1. So next is y2. y2 is w2. To find y2, please refer to this formula. So w2 minus beta 2 times with y3. So w2 is what? w2 is this value, 0.3413. 0.3413 minus beta 2. Beta 2, you can get this value from step number 1. Beta 2 is what? This is beta 2, negative 0.6044. Negative 0.6044 times with y3. y3 is this one, 0.8163. Final answer for y2 is 0.8347. And lastly, find the y1 value. So y1 equals to w1 minus beta 1 times with y2. So w1 is this value, 0.5647 minus beta 1. Beta 1 is what? Beta 1 is this one. This is beta 1. And maybe I can simplify this. Negative 1 over 2.125. This one is supposed to be negative 0.4706. So beta 1 is negative 0.4706 times with y2. So y2 is this, 0.8347. And the final answer for y1 is 0.9575. Okay, done. So we have finished the Thomas algorithm part. So our solution for this system is y1 equals to 0.9575, y2 equals to 0.8347, and y3 equals to 0.8163. So basically, we have solved this ODE, the boundary value problem. Let me remind you once again, to solve this system, to solve the AY equals to B system, it is not necessary for you to use Thomas algorithm. You may also use other method. You may also use the iterative method of finding the Y values. You can use the Gauss-Seidel, the Jacobi method. Okay, but it is much easier if you use Thomas algorithm, because for Thomas algorithm, you just plug in the values into the formula and the formulas will be given to you. Alright, but you need to remember that to use Thomas algorithm, this AY equals to B must be a tridiagonal system, meaning that this A matrix must be a tridiagonal matrix. So if A is not a tridiagonal matrix, you cannot use Thomas algorithm in solving this system. That's all for finite difference method. So we have finished this chapter, chapter 7. So in chapter 7, we have two methods, the finite difference method and also the shooting method. And these methods are used to solve the boundary value problems in ordinary differential equations. Okay, please try a lot of exercises and I will give you homework later. And please try those questions. Okay, thank you and Assalamualaikum.